In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Zoho. By the end, you'll understand two straightforward ways to connect the two, using an automation platform for hands-off syncing, or embedding a Zoho form directly on your Wix site when you just need to capture leads quickly. I'll walk you through both, explain what each option is best for, and highlight what to watch for so your data ends up exactly where you expect it. Let's start with the easiest, most flexible method, using an automation platform such as Zapier or Zoho Flow. These tools let Wix and Zoho talk to each other without any code. The idea is simple. You pick a trigger in Wix, then pick an action in Zoho, and the automation runs every time that trigger fires. A very common use case is automatically creating a Zoho CRM lead whenever someone submits a form on your Wix site. To set this up, choose a trigger in Wix like new form submission or order placed. Then choose an action in Zoho that fits your workflow. For example, you can select Create Sales Invoice in Zoho Books if you want new orders to generate invoices automatically. Next, map the fields so information lands correctly. That might look like connecting the email field from your Wix form to the email address field in Zoho. Carefully matching names, emails, and other details ensures clean records and fewer headaches later. When you are satisfied with the mapping, activate the workflow. From that point on, the automation works in the background, keeping your systems in sync and reducing manual data entry. If your goal is quick lead capture directly into Zoho, embedding a Zoho form on your Wix website is the fastest route. In your Zoho Forms account, open the Share tab and copy the form's permalink URL. Then switch to the Wix editor, select Add. Choose Embed Code and pick Embed a Site. Paste the Zoho form URL into the website address field and click Apply. Your form will appear on the page, ready for visitors to fill out. And submissions will flow straight into Zoho without any additional steps or tools. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.